Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on Jasmy. I wanted to make an update because, well, until the last hour or so, we actually seemed pretty, I wouldn't say bullish, but it seemed like we were recovering some lost gains. And overall, there are two things I really want to talk about with Jasmy, which I think can actually make it have a big breakout, all right? So, and that's 100% realistic. I'm not saying it will happen, but I am saying that there's a higher chance at this point of time for two main reasons. We'll talk about them a little bit later in the video. Before that, we'll just do a quick overview and a market structure scan because we'll cover everything, all right? At the end of the video, hopefully you're as well prepared as you've ever been for Jasmy and everything that could come from here. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into Jasmy specifically though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium training group as well, in which first of all, I send my own trades. So I'm a profitable trader, so you gain those trades as well. And you gain access to my training guides and an exclusive chat room full of traders. So if you actually want to become a better trader and a more profitable trader, then I think this is the best way. But I'll leave that up to you. All right, you can find the links down in the description or at cilinix.com. You can find out some more information. But now onto Jasmy. So purely technically, Jasmy is bearish, all right? After we got that major bearish breakout the 3rd of August last week, we have been very bearish. And even right now, even though we had some bullish momentum coming from this level right here, around 0.37 cents, right now it seems like we're respecting the 28 EMA. So overall, we look weak. The volume has dropped down 50%. So you might be asking, well, why do you think we can actually have bullish momentum then? And that's for two reasons. First reason is the volume. If we take a look at the volume, there's quite a lot of volume coming from SuperX and BitTrue, which historically, if a lot of volume is coming from those sources, it's manipulated, which Jasmy doesn't look manipulated right now. So maybe we can still get some manipulation. And manipulation in crypto usually first always is a pump and then a dump. So that is one of the main reasons why. Like our main resistance right now is around 0.00386. All right, that's our main resistance. So I'll say that as 0.386 cents. That's the main level we want to break above. So that's possible for that reason. Second of all, and our main price target I would say is around like 0.4 cents, a little bit above that. And the second reason is that Jasmy has teamed up with DWF Labs, which is a great thing because, and this is something I've observed in the last months, is that projects that partner up with DWF Labs tend to rally quite a bit. DWF Labs is a fund. It's a little bit less, it's a lesser known fund, but they have, what they have done in the past is, for example, done investments in crypto projects, and then they actually just bought the tokens a lot. So that's amazing because that makes the price move a lot, of course, but yeah, it's also a market maker. But these two things lead me to believe that something like this is possible. Now, personally, I'm waiting for confirmation, all right? So I'm waiting for that 0.00386 level to break, because I think if we can break that, we can rally up higher to 0.39.5 cents and 0.4.5 cents, all right? That's it's hard to say with these low numbers, but I think you know what I mean. So I think that's possible. We do need to see this, I would say, in the next like 2 or 3 days. Otherwise, we'll probably just continue down. We'll probably get moves up to 0.00385, but then we will not break above that. Or if we don't break above that in the next 2 or 3 days, it's more likely to first of all see some moves down towards 0.00355. So at this point of time, to be clear, it still looks bearish, but there are two things which actually make me believe that there's a possibility to get a bullish breakout, and I want you to be prepared for that. All right, so that's my take on Jasmy. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.